Welcome to How to Do Bong Hyung Ee Dan for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Bong Hyung Ee Dan. It is the second of 5 staff forms in the series. Bong Hyung Ee Dan is comprised of 36 movements, and it follows the exact same pattern as the Gicheong series. You can find those here in that info button on the Rockhold Karate YouTube channel. But wait till later. Be sure to check this out first, and then go back and check out the Gicheong forms if you want. Anyway, I'm gonna go get set up and be right back. Bong Hyung Ee Dan. Fold the staff underneath the right arm. Left foot in to chariot attention. Kine bow. And unwind the staff. Go into chumbi jase. Ready stance. Looking left. I'm going to sweep low by my leg. And then step out into chunggo jase front stance. And low strike. From here I'm going to fold across, unwind the staff. So right hand is in my hip, left hand's across the front. As I step through into front stance again, I'm going to strike high. From here I'm going to repeat the sequence behind me. So I'm going to sweep low, prep, and strike. Fold it, unwind it, and step through and high strike. Looking left, I'm going to sweep through low, step out in the front stance again, and low strike. I'm going to do the same thing again, but this time I'm going to fold into side stance, second of jase, and then shift back to a chunggo jase front stance and high strike. I'm going to rotate the staff across the front and unwind as I step behind into front stance and high strike. I'm going to flip the staff up and step through the front stance again and step. So I'm going to pull with my right hand and push the left, striking across and go the opposite direction. From here I'm going to do a big turn, so look behind, shift my stance to the side. As I sweep low, bring it high and then low strike again. Flip the staff over and step through front stance, high strike. Repeat the sequence. Sweep through low and low strike. Flip the staff and step through high strike. Look to the middle of the form. Sweep low again and low. Strike. Flip it over once again. This time step into Kima jase, horse stance and strike, and then 2 more strikes, left, right. I'm going to fold the staff across, step behind, and high strike. Flip the staff up, and step forward front stance and stab. Strike left, strike right. Turn again, all the way through, and low in front stance. Flip the staff across and strike high. And one more time, repetition of this sequence. Low, flip it across, and step strike high. And you're gonna fold it, unwind, and chariot, come to attention, kine bow, and back to chumbi. And that is Bong Hyung Ee Dan for Tang Soo Do. Until the next video, which is going to be Bong Hyung Samdan, the 3rd in the series, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy. In a series of 5 staff forms. Okay. What the hell was that? Alright, stuff's falling on my head here. Is this dab? No. That was cleaned. What the hell was that? Alright. Let's try again. Just pollen inside the studio now. Pollen in the air. Oh, get through this. I'm gonna get through this. You can check that out here also. And that is not done right. All right, one more time. All right. Take 20. Yeah, it's been a while. Now, if you're wondering which staff I was using today, I'm gonna have a link to it in the description. This is the white waxwood staff made by Century Martial Arts. It's a straight staff, not that tapered junk. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just mumbling now. All right, let me try again. Keep forgetting, man. And the rattan. And I'm gonna do that again. Because I keep getting distracted by this stupid phone over here. It keeps doing freaking notices on me. Shut up.